Hello folks, it's Gary GSF, and just today I was wanting to go out with my drone, so I just took local near Lough Neagh. So this is where we start at Derrytrasna. Now there's a sculpture here that I wanted to get a wee look at, and I take the drone up around the village, and this will be the first start of it, but there's a little sculpture to the fishermen for the eels in Lough Neagh. Lough Neagh is actually the largest freshwater lake in the UK. So there you go. And that's my little scooter that took us down there. So we'll just get up over the village here, and that's just some of the new houses in the village. But if you turn around here, we're heading over to the Derrytrasna Church, and probably the hub of every community is a church. So the church with the graveyard, and in the background you have a little school there as well. So it's a very pretty little place. It's not far from Lurgan, maybe 6 or 7 miles away from Lurgan, and as you can see, it's near the shores of Lough Neagh, and you can first see the Lough Neagh in the background there. And as the village is quite small, and its closest place would be Lurgan to this. Head on down the road now, and we'll come to a place called Charlestown or Banford. Anyone local would know it more of Banford rather than Charlestown, and basically is a village on the foot of the Ban, the River Ban, where it meets Lough Neagh. As you can see, the first signs of my troubles were there today. You could see one of the little swifts buzzing the drone. Became a bit more of a problem. I had to hightail it out later on, but we'll see that later. But very small little place, and I'm raising up high now, so you can see the River Ban in the background. So that is Banford or Charlestown. So if you're going down the road to where the River Ban is, there's a little picnic area, and there's a sign there. It has suffered with age, this little sign, but it gives you the history where there was a ferry that was pulled across and connected that to Mahary over on the other side. So that's us up and up the Ban, heading up. This would take you up towards Portadown, where the Ban goes through the town, and I'm sure it was a lifeblood years ago off the area. Probably had canals coming off it. Well, you did definitely have canals coming off it. But I was thinking have a nice little leisurely fly here, but the little birds seem to have quite a different idea, and you'll see it as I turn around to show you the mouth of the Ban going into Lough Neagh. So that's really very pretty. Just unfortunately though, this summer the weather has been poor. So I'll turn around now and head back down towards the Lough Neagh, and you can see one of the little swifts now. There's more, and buzzing the drone, and from looking from where I was flying, there was a whole load of them, and they're all flying after it. It was surreal that they were buzzing the drone. So I thought, because I like my little drone, I thought I would maybe just land and save the drone for another day. But that is it coming out, the Ban coming out into Lough Neagh. So we'll move on then to Ardmore, and this is a little car park. As you see, the ducks were a little more frightened of the drone than what the swifts were. The swifts were ready to fight the drone. But this is Ardmore, and there's not a lot to it. It's just it's just on the shores of the Lough Neagh, and there's really not a lot to it. As I head up here, I fly up. This is quite red. This is where the residential is, and you head up towards the sand plant, and we'll get a look at the sand plant. I'll have to relocate because I need to keep the drone in view. So there you go. That's the sand plant, and as I turn around, you'll actually see one of the dredging boats coming back in. If I hadn't known this, I would have hung about to get a picture of that. But that was one of the dredging boats, and this is looking the other direction from Ardmore down towards towards the Lough and the Banford, and you can see there's some little private inlays. But thanks for watching. So like, subscribe and share if you feel the need. Thank you very much for watching. It's Gary GSF signing off.